Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to Canvas. Canvas is the tool that we're going to be using in geometry this year to help aid in retention of material, but also as a means to gather and organize all of the material that we're going to be doing. The first thing you'll have to do is you'll have to log on. I will help in class go through how to get you a login and a password, and we will do that together. So don't worry about that. Once you're on Canvas, then you can go to your particular class, and in your class you will see a couple things. You will see grades and modules. Now the thing that you're interested in is modules. Modules would be similar to a various section in a textbook, except that instead of just a textbook, each of these sections is going to have some directions, and they're going to have some activities that vary a little bit from time to time. And the biggest thing is a lot of the content for instruction is going to be digital, because what we're doing is a flipped process where you're going to be getting some of the instruction at home, those things that are definitions, those things that are basic information, those things that are review. And your job is to come to class primed to learn, which means you're going to be assigned to do this before you come to class. This is what you have to do at home to be prepared to do in class what we need to do. To give you an example, this is a Zaption. It is me, and it is me going through some of the topic matter. And you'll notice these little lines down here. They represent breaks, text, questions, facts, links, things like that that are going to enhance your learning. All of these things must be done in order. You cannot buzz through the video, and you must answer all of the questions. Now, the good news is you may answer all of the questions as many times and as often as you wish. So you may get all of the points that are available. You can work ahead, but the key is you must be ready with each section prior to coming to class. It helps prepare you and prime you to learn what we're going to learn in geometry. This is your responsibility to do. Now, it won't always be Zaption. There are also sections where instead of a Zaption, it's a YouTube or a series of YouTube videos. Again, most of them done by me for your benefit and your class directly. But then you will have a quiz that follows, and that quiz is also graded. And again, you can get all of the points on the quiz by going back over and over and over to get all of the answers. Now, all of the quizzes, all of the Zaptions will be cut off at the end of each chapter, so make sure that you are getting all the points by the time test time comes around. With that, there's also a couple other things that we have available in Canvas. It allows me to put your notes right here within Canvas so that you can see all of the notes that go along with whatever section we're creating. Or if necessary, I can grab videos from an outside source and use those videos when appropriate. So what I want you to understand is this is the digital part of your geometry class. It is just as important as the in-class portion, and this is going to help us maintain an active and positive learning environment for you this year. So we're going to get to know Canvas. That's one of the things that we're going to do, and I'm hoping that it really enhances your learning.